Ready to elevate your communication skills? Here's how to start. Do you ever doubt your communication skills, feeling anxious about small talk, public speaking, or connecting with diverse individuals? It's a common challenge, and here's the question. Can you communicate with confidence and make a lasting impact? The truth is, confident communicators inspire and lead effectively. Don't let self-doubt hinder your communication prowess. Ready to elevate your communication skills? Here's how to start. Practice. Know your audience and focus on clarity. Remember, strong communication builds trust, fosters collaboration, and amplifies your influence. Step into your power as a communicator and witness the transformation in your leadership. Joke, joke, joke! Anong subject ang paborito ng mga fish? Eddie, physical education. Let's get physical!